Hello there, I am KX90. This is my latest creation, the Boaty bit by bit. This is sort of an add-on for the already existing hover bit from Make It. All you have to do is just to take the main frame of the hover bit and just place it on top of the Boaty bit and just screw it in place. You do not need the nuts, by the way, since there are threads down here. I do believe this boat is quite fantastic and is perfectly balanced, and I think you can print this in an easier way with the boat standing up like this. Oh, 1 second, that was a mistake, but anyway, like that. 1 second, there we go. I think you can print the boat like this, no problem whatsoever. It's just a matter of personal preference, really, how you want it to print. I have printed 2 standing up and 1 laying down like this, and I think both of them works quite well. I do print it at 6.0 millimeters per third second and a printing temperature of 210 and a bed temperature of 60. I haven't tried experimenting with other temperatures. I have tried the standard one, which is 260 and 80 on the print speed. But that's about it. But I do believe this is one that works quite well. And yeah, I am quite happy with the boat, as you can see by the video. 1 second. And I think the things I really enjoy about the boat is that it is perfectly balanced and it is easy to screw the already existing frame for the hover bits onto the boat. There is not much you need to do, really, just print it out and just use it. If I have to recommend something, I would like you to paint the hull all the way up over the whole boat, not on top. You can do that if you want to, but I have painted the entire hull up to here with clear coat. I have sprayed it with clear coat, and the reason behind that is the PLA is waterproof per se, but it's not 100% waterproof, and because of that I decided to spray it with clear coat. I could have used rubber coat, but that makes the hull heavier. And when the hull is heavier, the boat is laying much more deeper into the water than it normally would do, and you have less chance of recovery if something were due to happen. So I recommend to spray it with something that is not of heavy weight. For instance, the clear coat. Yeah, that's really it. I am quite happy with the result. And I want to show you one more thing. This is another example of the boat that you can print. I haven't exactly published the file yet. This is the same boat, the same hull, it's just that it has an open hole here. And you can glue this on top of this frame. And it just looks like a yacht, really. It looks more expensive, sort of. And the only thing here is you have to use both the spacers, the screws and the nuts, because in this design you attach the frame on top of these and you sort of attach the nuts below. So it's again a preference that you have to decide on which design you like the most. And if you do like this one, I can publish it, just let me know in the comment section below. And I have a third option, it's just plain simple boat, really. I do believe it's a picture of that boat on my Instagram, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, this is the second option, or in fact it was the first option, but then I came up with this idea instead. It's much more easier and just straightforward printing. 4 holes with threads for the screws, and you just use the screws and threads, the screws and the spacers to attach the frame onto the boat. Yeah, that's it really. I have more projects ongoing right now. For instance, the snowy bit, that is the snowmobile. designed for snowy conditions. I have printed one with sort of skis below it, and it works perfectly fine on normal indoor floors, etc. I haven't tried it on snow yet because it's not winter yet, but anyway, those are the projects that are ongoing now, and yeah, let me know which one of these do you think looks the best. I know this is the one that I printed and used in the video. I'm extremely happy with this one, so if you want this design, just let me know in the comment section below and I will publish it. Anyway, I am KX90. See you later. Goodbye.